morning viewers, it's already day 3 of our northeast ride and guess where we are. So we have reached city of joy, Calcutta. Okay, I prefer calling it Calcutta rather than Kolkata. So we reached yesterday night really late. It was almost close to 1 a.m. and we just dumped our things. We just straight away went to sleep. So abhi filhal the plan is we are heading towards Kawasaki service center, wherein we'll have to service Hulk. It is somewhere near Sun City. Uske baad we'll have to go to Nagaland House to see if we can get permit to enter Nagaland. The rest of the day we will see what we can do, where we can go, and Calcutta street food is definitely something that I am looking forward to. So I'm basically from Guwahati. I have already been to Kolkata, but then it's after a really long time that I have come here. So I'm looking forward for the day. See you around. Bye bye.
Kakak. Kakak, चाबी नहीं है तो?
कौन सा बोला भाई?
अरे वो जो
NB21 is finally at the iconic, famous Victoria Memorial here in Calcutta. today. We went to Nagaland house but didn't get our permit, so we have to again go to Guwahati and get a permit from there, means try getting a permit from there. Then we went to the service center to service our bike. After that we went to see Victoria Memorial and then Princep Ghat, and then we had dinner, and now we are back in our hotel. So tomorrow we'll have to start our ride very early. We have to go to Siliguri, and heard that the roads are not really great there. So we are start at around 5:36. Yeah, we'll go to sleep now. So see you around tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.